Did you know that refinishing hardwood floors can yield a staggering 147% return on investment? It's true. This single renovation project often pays back more than you spend, and it's just one example of how the right home upgrade can transform your bottom line when it's time to sell. For many homeowners, the prospect of renovating before listing a property raises a daunting question. Which upgrades are truly worth the time, effort, and money? Today, we're exploring the best renovations for resale and uncovering which improvements will actually pay off when you put your home on the market. Selling a home is about more than simply putting a "for sale" sign in the front yard. In a competitive real estate landscape, buyers are looking for modern amenities, updated finishes, and that elusive move-in ready appeal. Strategic renovations can make your property stand out, attract more offers, and most importantly, command a higher selling price. But not all upgrades are created equal. Some projects offer exceptional returns, while others rarely recoup their costs. Homeowners across the country face a familiar dilemma. Which renovations will offer the best return on investment? Should you focus on high-impact rooms like the kitchen and bathroom, invest in curb appeal, or prioritize energy-efficient improvements? With so many options and limited resources, making the right choice can feel overwhelming. But recent data and expert insights can help you make informed decisions that align with current market trends and buyer preferences. Let's break down some of the most impactful renovation projects, starting with a perennial favorite, the kitchen. According to recent market analyses, a minor kitchen remodel, think updating cabinet fronts, swapping out outdated countertops, and installing newer, more efficient appliances, can recoup as much as 70% to 85% of its cost at resale. The key here is minor. Rather than gutting the space and starting from scratch, focus on cosmetic improvements that offer a fresh, modern look without the hefty price tag. New hardware, a tile backsplash, and energy-efficient lighting can instantly brighten the space and make it more appealing to buyers. Bathrooms, too, play a pivotal role in swaying buyers' decisions. Mid-range bathroom remodels, those that update fixtures, add modern vanities, and improve lighting, typically return between 65% and 80% of their cost. Simple changes like replacing dated tile, installing a sleek new toilet, or upgrading to a frameless glass shower can make a big difference in how your home is perceived. Buyers are drawn to clean, updated bathrooms that feel like a private retreat. So don't underestimate the value of this upgrade. But it's not just the inside that counts. First impressions matter, and enhancing your home's curb appeal can pay significant dividends. One standout project is replacing the garage door. Recent statistics reveal that upgrading to an insulated, energy-efficient garage door can yield one of the highest returns of any renovation, often recouping nearly all of its cost. This is a relatively straightforward update that instantly boosts your home's exterior appearance and signals to buyers that the property is well cared for. Landscaping improvements are another high-impact, cost-effective way to increase your home's value. Simple steps like fresh mulch, trimmed hedges, colorful flower beds, and well-defined walkways can create a welcoming environment that entices buyers from the moment they arrive. A manicured lawn and thoughtfully designed landscaping not only enhance aesthetics, but also suggest that the property has been meticulously maintained, which can translate to higher offers. Energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly in demand, as buyers look for homes that will help them save on utility bills and reduce their environmental footprint. Replacing old windows with double-pane energy-efficient models, adding extra insulation, and installing smart thermostats are all improvements that can boost your home's appeal. These upgrades may not always yield the highest percentage return, but they often help homes sell faster and can be a deciding factor for environmentally conscious buyers. Now, let's reveal the top 3 renovations that consistently deliver the best returns at resale, according to recent data and industry experts. First up, refinishing hardwood floors. As we mentioned at the outset, this project can yield a remarkable 147% return on investment. Buyers love the timeless look of hardwood, and freshly refinished floors instantly elevate the feel of the entire home. Whether you have existing hardwood hidden beneath carpeting or worn planks in need of a refresh, this is one upgrade that almost always pays off. Second, the minor kitchen remodel. By updating key surfaces and appliances without a full-scale overhaul, you can achieve an impressive return. Typically between 70% and 85% of the initial investment. Focus on the elements that buyers care about most: clean cabinetry, modern countertops, and energy-efficient appliances. Even small changes can make the kitchen feel brand new. Third, replacing the garage door. This might come as a surprise, but a new insulated garage door not only enhances curb appeal, but also offers one of the highest returns among all exterior upgrades. It's a relatively modest investment that can make your home stand out in online listings and during in-person showings. While these 3 projects consistently top the list, it's important to remember that every home is unique. The best renovation for your property will depend on factors like the home's age, location, and current condition, as well as what's most in demand in your local market. That said, data shows that buyers overwhelmingly prioritize kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal when making their decisions. By focusing your resources on these areas, you'll be positioning your home to attract more interest and higher offers. Of course, not every upgrade will yield a high return. Projects like adding a swimming pool, installing luxury fixtures, or embarking on a major room addition rarely recoup their full cost and may even deter some buyers. Instead, stick to updates that enhance functionality, improve aesthetics, and offer broad appeal. Neutral paint colors, updated lighting, and simple landscaping improvements can go a long way without breaking the bank. Let's review the key takeaways. First, strategic renovations can have a significant impact on your home's resale value, but not all upgrades are created equal. Focus on projects that are proven to yield high returns, such as refinishing hardwood floors, undertaking minor kitchen remodels, and replacing the garage door. Don't overlook the power of curb appeal. Landscaping and exterior updates can make a lasting impression and help your home sell faster. And finally, consider energy-efficient improvements that appeal to today's eco-conscious buyers and can make your property more attractive in a competitive market. Choosing the right renovations before selling can feel overwhelming, but by relying on recent data and expert recommendations, you can make confident decisions that maximize your investment. Whether you're preparing to list your home next month or planning upgrades for the future, these proven projects can help you get the best possible return when it's time to sell. If you found this information helpful and want more tips on making the most of your home, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more expert insights on home improvement, real estate trends, and how to make your property stand out in any market. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your next renovation.